New areas evacuated on La Palma as lava destroys more homes. A river of molten rock reached the town center of La Laguna on Wednesday, forcing many elderly residents to leave their properties. The new volcano on La Palma, in Spain's Canary Islands, forced more evacuations on Wednesday after lava reached the town center of La Laguna. A gas station, supermarket, soccer field and the homes of hundreds of locals were swallowed up by the molten rock, which has been flowing out of the volcano since the eruption began on the 19th of September. Even the church where Spain's King Felipe VI and Queen Letizia had spoken to victims a month ago was destroyed by the lava. Broken dreams and lost years, said Mariano Hernández Zapata, the head of La Palma Island Council, on Wednesday in response to the destruction. As the lava advanced in La Laguna, which has one of the largest populations in the municipality of Los Llanos de Aradane, authorities decided to evacuate more areas on Wednesday night. In an operation coordinated by the Civil Guard, residents in the neighborhoods of Marina Alta, Marina Beja, La Condesa and Cuesta Zapata in the municipality of Tazacorte, as well as those in La Martella's neighborhood in Los Llanos de Aradane, were forced to leave their homes. The order affected between 40 and 50 homes, many of which belong to elderly locals. It had to happen to us too. Is this never going to end? Asked Mariam Gonzalez, a 76-year-old resident from Marina Beja, whose daughter and son-in-law came to help her pack up. Meanwhile, a German couple was in a state of near panic, with the language barrier exacerbating their anxiety. Take basic things for tonight. Tomorrow you will be able to come back and collect more things, a municipal worker told them. These are tremendously hard times and the symptoms don't show that we are close to the end, Angel Victor Torres, the Canary Islands premier, said on Wednesday, adding that the regional government was working around the clock to provide new homes for victims and irrigation for plantations affected by the eruption. We can't say in the case of La Laguna whether it is going to cause partial or complete damage, but we hope not, he said. We are at the complete mercy of the volcano, but we will do all that is humanly possible to ease their suffering. As of Thursday, the lava had covered an area measuring 866.1 hectares and had also destroyed 2,158 buildings, 229 in the previous 48 hours alone, according to the latest data from the European observation system Copernicus. The data, however, does not reflect the anguish of the residents of La Palma, which is located in the Canary Islands archipelago off the coast of northwestern Africa. The town center of La Laguna was under threat on Wednesday from two lava flows. Miguel Angel Morquiwadi, the director of the Canaries Volcano Risk Prevention Plan, PEVOLCA, which is overseeing the crisis, explained that one of the flows had branched off, grown over the morning and was moving quite quickly. This lava tongue was responsible for destroying the gas station in La Laguna. But according to Morquiwadi, once the lava moves away from areas that have already been raised, it loses momentum as it picks up objects and becomes less viscous. This is what is now happening in the area, he said. Another lava flow is advancing around the south side of the Montana de La Laguna, a mountain in the municipality of the same name. On Wednesday morning it was 90 meters from the coast. If the flow reaches the sea, we will order a confinement, which has already been prepared, explained Morquiwadi. The measure due to the risk of toxic gases from the contact of the lava with water will affect around 3,000 people. In the meantime, seismic activity on the island increased slightly on Thursday. Since midnight, 38 tremors have been recorded on La Palma, according to the National Geographic Institute, IGN. The largest measured 4.3 on the Richter scale and was registered in Villa de Mazo, at a depth of 37 kilometers. Most of the quakes, however, continue to hit closer to the surface. The good news is that there has not been significant seismic activity at this level, meaning the emergence of a new volcanic vent is unlikely. In the next 24 hours, northeasterly winds are forecast to push the cloud of ash and sulfur dioxide toward the southeast of the island, which will affect areas such as Los Llanos de Aradane, Tazacorte and Fuencaliente. This, however, will improve conditions at La Palma Airport and is a favorable scenario for operations at other airports in the Canary Islands, according to PEVOLCA. The Spanish island of La Palma has been shaken by the strongest earthquake since last month's volcanic eruption. A 4.5 magnitude quake struck the Canary Islands overnight, according to Spain's National Geographic Institute. At least 60 tremors in total were felt, as the Cumbre Vieja volcano continued to spew fiery rivers of lava. Authorities have ordered 300 more residents to evacuate from the towns of Tazacorte and La Laguna. Emergency crews gave residents a few hours to collect their belongings and pets before heading to a meeting point on Thursday. This decision is taken due to the anticipation of the advance of the lava flow that runs further to the northwest and its proximity to the boundary zone of the already evacuated perimeter, emergency services said on Twitter. Earthquakes rattled La Palma in Spain's Canary Islands on Monday, as lava continued to flow from vents in the volcano that has been erupting since the 19th of September. Officials said they didn't expect to evacuate any more people from the area, because the molten rock was following the same route to the sea as earlier flows. Spain's National Geographical Institute said it recorded 2 quakes early on Monday that measured more than 3.0 magnitude. It's not over yet, we don't even know how long there is to go, the Canary Islands Regional President Angel Victor Torres told public broadcaster RTVE. We're in nature's hands. Health is of increasing concern as there has been little let-up of discharge from the Cumbavija volcano since it started erupting. Lava flowing from vents has destroyed over 900 buildings and displaced about 6,000 people so far, and new vents opened just days ago. The island of 85,000 people lies in Spain's Canary Islands archipelago in the Atlantic Ocean off the northwest coast of Africa. Emergency personnel are continually monitoring air quality in residential areas affected. Experts estimate the debris has already covered an area bigger than 25 football pitches. On Sunday, the Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez pledged another €200 million to help the island recover from the damage. Sánchez was briefing journalists after visiting the affected area of the Canary Islands for the third time. The government has declared the island a disaster area. According to Sánchez, the extra money will rebuild crucial infrastructure for the island's economy, mainly irrigation networks for the important banana export industry and other agricultural crops, as well as roads that serve the hiking trails and beaches that attract tourists. The funds also aim to create jobs and cut taxes for La Palma residents. We are facing a test of resistance, because we don't know when the volcano's eruption will end, Sánchez said. But citizens should know that when it does end, the government of Spain will be there to help with the enormous task of rebuilding La Palma and offer a horizon of prosperity. The announcement of increased aid comes on top of the €10.5 million for building houses and basic necessities approved by the government last week. On Sunday, the Canary Islands Volcanology Institute, in Volcano, said the explosive activity in the vents of the volcano had intensified, while several medium-range earthquakes were recorded by the country's Geographic Institute, IGN. Despite the eruption's spectacular images and its damage to property, no casualties have been reported, mainly due to speedy evacuations.